This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Maryland's getting a major snowstorm on Tuesday, January the 21st, 2014. It's going to bring up to 6 to 12 inches of snow. Which is 15 plus centimeters of snow in the state of Maryland, especially in Baltimore and Ocean City, Maryland, because it's going to be a lot of snow in the state of Maryland as well. It's going to be whiteout conditions, blowing and drifting snow, reduced visibility as well, because it's going to be a major snowstorm to hit Maryland, especially in Baltimore and Ocean City as well. People in Maryland, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready, because it's going to be a lot of snow on Tuesday, January 21st, 2014. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi and buy cases of Coke as well. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Because it's going to be a lot of stormy conditions in the state of Maryland. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your 3G and 4G internet ready. Have your shovels ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow blowers ready. Have your snow plows ready. Have your salt trucks ready. When you're driving the car, take your time driving the car. Be careful driving the car so you don't get in a car accident. Interstate highways, highway sand, streets in Maryland will be snow covered, especially in Baltimore and Ocean City, Maryland as well, because it's going to be a lot of stormy conditions, blowing and drifting snow, reduced visibilities, because it's going to be a snowstorm to hit Maryland on Tuesday, January 21st, 2014. It's going to be a lot of snow in the state of Maryland. Whiteout conditions, blowing and drifting snow as well. Cars will get stuck in the snow and car tires will be spinning around in the state of Maryland. Best luck to you, people in Maryland. Be prepared for a major snowstorm on Tuesday, January 21st, 2014. Take care and stay safe. And don't get caught in a snowstorm. Be safe.